The Home Doctor isn't just a book, it's your lifeline to a healthier, happier you. Authored by the dynamic duo, Claude Davis Sr. and Mabel Nieves, this comprehensive guide is not your average health manual. It's a beacon of empowerment, providing you with the tools to conquer common health issues right from the comfort of your home. In the pages of this invaluable resource, you'll discover a wealth of information on diagnosing and treating everything from minor injuries to chronic conditions. Claude and Mabel have woven together a tapestry of knowledge, making it a breeze for anyone to take control of their well-being. The organization of the book is seamless, ensuring that finding the information you need is as effortless as flipping a page. What sets this book apart is its ability to transform complex medical concepts into simple, accessible language. No jargon, just clear explanations that resonate with a wide audience. To aid your understanding, the pages are adorned with helpful diagrams, illustrations, and tables, making the information not only digestible but downright enjoyable. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Home Doctor doesn't just treat, it prevents. With an emphasis on self-care and prevention, the authors guide you through managing common health issues and stopping them in their tracks. Whether you're battling a sudden ailment or striving for long-term well-being, this book is your compass. Are you a new parent, a student navigating life's challenges, or just someone passionate about self-care? Look no further. This book is your trusted companion. Packed with practical advice, it's a constant resource you'll turn to again and again. So, why wait? Seize control of your health journey today. Order your copy of The Home Doctor now, and unlock the secrets to managing common health issues at home. Click the link below to claim your guide to a healthier, happier you. It's time to invest in yourself.